In this video, you are going to learn how you can install Microsoft Office 2024, which was a preview version, but now Microsoft has stopped with the preview version. Now they've published the full version of this Microsoft 2024. You can download it for free. It's not a scam, it's legal. And whatever version of Microsoft Office you have on your computer, you have to uninstall it for you to be able to download this latest version of Microsoft Office 2024. So click on the start button here and search for control panel. It's going to come here, open it like that. Now here when it opens, you're going to click on programs, and here you're going to see programs and features. Click on that. Let's maximize the screen, and here you can see this is the Microsoft Office LTSC Professional Plus 2024. Now this is the preview version, so you have to uninstall it, and the way you do that is you just right click on it, then you're going to see the uninstall option. Here on the desktop, you're going to create a new folder for it, MS Office 2024. In this folder, this is where we're going to put all the files we're going to download from the internet. Just leave this folder here on the desktop like that. Now you're going to open your favorite browser and come to google.com, and here just search for Office Deployment 2. You're going to see the first link here, click on that. Then here you're going to see this Office Deployment 2, then click on download. It's going to download. As you can see here, it's very quick. So when it downloads, it's going to be in the downloads folder. Now you have to move it. Just come to downloads and get this file, because this is the one we've downloaded. So we'll just cut it from here, come in this folder that we've created and paste it in here. Come back to your browser here and go back to Google. This time you're going to search for Office Customization 2, and here it comes as the first suggestion. Click on that. The first link here, this is one you want to click on, Office Customization 2. The Microsoft 365 Apps Admin Center. You see, we are downloading this from the actual Microsoft Office website. And so now when you reach this page, this is where now you're going to customize the configuration file. We're just going to customize how we want to install this Microsoft Office 2024. So for starters, you have to make sure that you are downloading the correct version of Microsoft for your specific operating system. If you are running a 32-bit operating system, choose 32 bits. If you are running on a 64-bit, select this second one. And so my computer is running on 64. I'll choose this one. So when you do that, you can scroll down here. You're going to see select Office Suite. So when you click on this, you can select the Office Suite you want to download. And in this case, we know we want to download the latest version of Microsoft Office. And in this case, it's this one, Office LTSC Professional Plus 2024 Volume License. So when you click on that, you are going to see it's going to be selected. You can do the same to this also here, but I'll just leave this the way it is because that's fine the way it is. Then you can come down here, make sure that this is latest here. Under the apps, you can choose the apps you want to install in this package. This is turned off, but you can turn it on if you want. You can turn this off and on. Just select the apps you want to install. Then you can click on the next. When you do that, you're going to select the language. Now, under the language here, you have to select the language you're going to be using. So when you click on this here, I'll just choose English United States. And so it's here. When you click on that, you can go on and also select an additional language, but I'll just leave this as is. Then you can click on next. Then we are under the installation. Just leave these links where the custom settings are okay. Click on next. Under the update and upgrades, just scroll down and you come here and turn this off. Scroll down and click on next. This is also fine. Just click on next. Then under the general, leave this the way it is. Come down here and click on finish. Now you are done customizing your configuration file. So now you're going to click on export. When you click on that, it's going to take you to the next page where you're going to see this dialog box where you have to choose here. So we're going to choose the second option, Office Open XML format. This is the one we want, and scroll down and click on OK. When you do this, you're going to get another dialog box where now you have to just accept the terms in the license agreement. When you click on this, and this is going to be the configuration file name. So file name, configuration. This is fine. We're going to leave it the way it is. Then you can just click on export. This is going to download this configuration file for us. Just like that, as you can see here, it's going to be downloaded. We're just going to click on keep. And when this is done, close this. We no longer need this window now. We come back here in the downloads. We're going to see that the configuration file is here. We're going to cut it from here and paste it in this folder that we just created in here. So we'll paste this like that. This folder here, this is the one you're working with. Open it. You're going to see the two files that we have here, the ones we've downloaded and the configuration file. Yeah, so you're going to right click on this Office deployment tool, right click on it, then you're going to see the option to run it as an administrator. If you click on that, you're going to see it's going to show you the option to just, give this permission to run. And so you just click on yes. When you run the deployment tool as an administrator, this is the dialog box you're going to see. Click on here to accept the Microsoft software license terms, and you can go on and click on continue. It's going to open another dialog box. Now here you're going to choose where you want to unpack this deployment to. We want to leave everything in this folder right now, so we're going to come on desktop. We know we have MS Office 2024. This is what we want. Then click on OK. Then this is going to unpack everything from the Office deployment tool, and we are going to see what we want here. It says files extracted successfully. You can go on and click on OK to just close that. Now that we have all these files in here, we're going to close this window. Now on the desktop, this file has to be moved in the local disk C. Okay, so we're going to cut it from here. Just copy or move it. Then you open your File Explorer, click on this PC, open the local disk C, and here this is where you want to paste the MS Office folder that has everything that we've just downloaded from the internet. When you open it, okay, so when you open it, you are going to be inside like this. When you are in this folder, you click on this path bar on top here and type CMD. Then you just press enter. When you press enter, you are going to open the command prompt like this, and this is where you want to be. It's going to open in the local disk C in the Microsoft Office 2024 folder, the one that you've just pasted in the local disk C. Copy this command and paste it here. When you copy this command and paste it here, this is the command that's going to install Microsoft Office 2024. When you press enter, it's going to start the process of downloading. Now it's going to ask you for permission to go ahead. Just click on yes, and that's how it's going to start downloading Microsoft Office. Now here, just be patient because it might take some time. So be patient and wait for it to finish downloading. When it's finished, when it's done, you're going to see all set, and that's what you want to have. So close this and just close this command prompt and close all these. Then you can just open whatever Microsoft software you want to open. It's going to open just fine. So for instance, when you open Access here, it's going to open like this, and this is what you want. As you can see, this is beautiful, and this is what you want. And so now when you come down here, when you click on account, you're going to see that your Microsoft Office is activated and everything is good to go. And this is how you can download your Microsoft Office.